Okay, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday. It's November 26th. I hope I'm correct. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start my day off. I already had got my shower. I'm going to wash my face, brush my teeth. And I know it's backwards, but y'all, I just wanted to, for some reason, I just wanted to get my shower, then clean up, even if I have to get another one after. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just cleaning my ears. Gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, just speed up the vlog. Y'all do like, share, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Become part of the All About Jazz Family YouTube channel. I would definitely love to have y'all as part of my family. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all comments, y'all love and support, and God bless y'all. Let me get into this vlog. Okay, y'all, so before I get started on anything, I want to show y'all what I had in mind for this DIY, but how Shein got me for everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with these reindeers. I know everything's supposed to look smaller, but this is too small for me. So I had these little reindeers. I was gonna make some Christmas trees, so I was thinking about taking this, gluing it on that. But y'all, the cones supposed to be bigger. When I got the cones, I know they showed them big, but they was too small. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it like this, and I just want y'all opinion on what y'all think. Can I make this tree like this and just glue it on? So if y'all can see, this is how it look. I know to me it look a little scrunchy looking, but comment down below what y'all think. This, I was just gonna spray paint it gold, and of course this wood thing gold. And so these right here was they actually look real, like they look like the real deal, but I should have known. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep those and work with those. These right here, y'all, it's like the material. That's the only thing I can have to say about that material is real woolly. Like these right here, the color was not on point, but I said I was gonna try to work with it anyway. Not sure yet. And so yeah, so she kind of got me a little bit. And then I had all this stuff because I had something in mind, but I'm not going to use that. So actually I got like, but I ain't gonna even lie. I was wasted about $10, $10 to $15. But I'm going to use a pillow. So I'm going to say about $7, like $7. So anyways, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all that real quick before I started my vlog. All right, y'all. So happy Sunday, y'all. Here I go again with my bunny head. So y'all, so far I have only gotten out the shower, freshened myself up, and showed y'all what I had for what I got from Shein. I do have some more stuff that I'm gonna be wrapping up on camera. This right here is gonna be a cleaning vlog. I really don't know what this vlog gonna consist of, but I do know I want to fold up some laundry, get that done. I know I'm right now if it's a cook because me and Christasia, we are so hungry. So I'm not going to try to hold up on it. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't already. Become part of the All About Jazz Family YouTube channel. I'd love to have y'all as part of my family. And yeah, once y'all subscribe, stay locked in. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope everybody had a blessed Thanksgiving. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash my hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this vlog. So let's get into it.
I don't know where this life will take me. I just know I'm here for the ride. Baby, there ain't no sense in waiting. Yeah, we don't know if we got the time. Oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots. Maybe I'll end up in the city, underneath all the flashing lights. Maybe I'll be in a new country, but when I go to sleep at night, oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountains. once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. 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 There's nothing you can make me do to ever forget my roots. Oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots.
The green beans with bacon pieces are done. The sweet potatoes are done. The cornbread is done. And the meatballs are done. So go ahead and get into everything, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this portion of the vlog. I am going to be not wrapping gifts. I'm going to be just putting gifts together. And also, don't mind this TV, y'all. Christasia, can you turn that down a little bit? So, yeah, thank y'all for watching this portion of the vlog. Like I said, y'all, I'm going to be putting some presents together, some stuff that came in. I will show y'all. And I'm going to be folding some laundry and probably a little bit clean. I'm probably going to get the kitchen cleaned back up, too, later on tonight before I go to bed. So, anyways, y'all, like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this portion. And, yeah, let me go ahead and fix these plates. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so this is how the plates look when they're plated. So this is my plate, because I have candy yams. Christasia don't eat candy yams. And then this is Christasia's plate. Not gonna lie, y'all, didn't have all the seasonings I need to make this meal, but I'm grateful for what I had. So yeah, we fixed to bless our food and eat. Okay, y'all, so now that I am done eating in my food, I just see y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start my laundry. I have a lot of laundry to fold. I have to go in there and clean the kitchen because I just messed it up. I have to go in there, and then the kitchen was a little messy anyways. It's just I wanted to go ahead and wash the dishes to cook, and I wiped stuff down, but I didn't fully have the kitchen clean. So I got to go in there and fully clean up the kitchen now. I'm going to, after I fold up the clothes, and do the living room and the bathroom. And then I'm going to just wrap up everything by putting these gifts together. And then I'm going to close out the vlog. Y'all, do 4 things for me if y'all can. Can y'all hit the like button, share the videos, can y'all leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. If y'all haven't already, become part of the All About Jazz Family YouTube channel. I would definitely love to have y'all. I am thankful and grateful for those who have subscribed and have been watching and supporting the channel. Help the channel to grow to be successful. The more I'm successful, the more I could help others to be successful as well. That is my goal. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fold up these clothes so I can get on to the next portion of the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank y'all for y'all love and support, and let's get back into the video. All right, guys. So as y'all can see, I am still folding up laundry. Y'all, tell me why most of these clothes wasn't even mine. It was like Christasia. And y'all, this girl always talking about, I don't have none to wear. I don't have none to wear. I don't have none to wear. Y'all, this girl have some of the nicest t-shirts and jeans. Like, I'm like, how does somebody say they don't have nothing to wear and they got all this stuff? She got nice crop tops, graphics tee, all kind of graphic tees. She have nice jeans. Like, I be like, girl, you better get you somewhere and get on this bus. Anyways, y'all, this is, I think this right here may be my last bag of clothes that I have to fold. Y'all, remind y'all, I still haven't got the dryer fixed, and that's just one thing that I'm working on. I have to squeeze it in my budget, but it will have to be after the holidays because I'm trying to get these kids somewhat up for Christmas if I can. And I'm just really squeezing it in my budget because I want to see a smile on my kids' faces. Like, no lie. I know that I go above and beyond for the kids, and sometimes when I don't have it, um, when I don't have like Christmas around this time of the year is really hard, always hard for me, anyways, because Christasia dad is deceased, and when you don't have that parent to call upon and help you out, you have to pretty much, just do what you can. And so, this time of the year is always hard for me. Um, but Kenzie, I know she'll be okay. So I like to try. I like to keep it equal, but at the same time, I be wanna, just try to make sure that Christasia get a lot what's on her list. But at the same time, I try to make sure that both of them have what they really want on their list. Um, Anyways, y'all, I know I'm probably all over the place. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back into all these clothes. Sorry if I'm talking too much, guys. But share, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Become part of the All About Jazz Family YouTube channel. I definitely love to have y'all. And y'all, when I really can sing, yeah, I be singing to the heavens. One thing about me, a fun fact, I will not be ashamed to praise God. If I wanted to, I literally just start singing no matter where I am. If my spirits is lifted, I'm gonna sing. Anyways, y'all, let me go ahead and get back into this vlog. Thank y'all for watching, loving, supporting, and sharing. Yes, let's get into it.
I don't know where this life will take me. I just know I'm here for the ride. Baby, there ain't no sense in waiting. Yeah, we don't know if we got the time. Oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots. Maybe I'll end up in the city, underneath all the flashing lights. Maybe I'll be in a new country, but when I go to sleep at night, oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. 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 There's nothing you can make me do to ever forget my roots. Oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots.
Sometimes I can't understand. I need more than a fantasy. Yeah, 'cause I don't wanna wait any longer to love you. I don't wanna wait any longer to touch you. 'Cause time keeps slipping, slipping, slipping. Hey. And the pain is growing, growing, growing. I just want you, baby. I don't wanna wait another moment. I don't wanna wait another minute. And I don't wanna wait another second to have you here with me. But I just can't keep waiting for you. No more late night calls. It's like you forgot about me. Go back to how we used to be. Yeah, it don't make sense to wait any longer to love you. It don't make sense to wait any longer to touch you. 'Cause time keeps slipping, slipping, slipping. Hey. And the pain is growing, growing, growing. I just want you, baby. I don't wanna wait another moment. I don't wanna wait another minute. And I don't wanna wait another second to have you here with me. But I just can't keep waiting for you. If it's a game you're playing, take me out immediately. Whoa.
Okay, guys, so quick recap. Y'all, I have cooked a Sunday's dinner. I folded the laundry. I cleaned the living room. And now I'm cleaning the kitchen all over again. And yeah, I know I've probably done some things backwards. I probably should just came here and fully clean up the kitchen and then cook because the kitchen was dirty the following morning. So I would have to just go ahead and clean it. Um, Cause right now it's like it's early, this is morning. It's not even noon yet. And so, anyways, I was just trying to get everything done. So this is my second time cleaning the kitchen, and yeah, so far I've done the cooking, the laundry, clean the living room, the kitchen. After I'm done with the kitchen, I'm gonna work my way to the downstairs restroom, and after that, I'm gonna head upstairs, put the girls' gifts together, and I'll be closing out the vlog. So I did get a lot accomplished today. Thanks to God for giving me the strength because y'all know your girl has still been having this sinus infection. Y'all, it wants to go away, but it's not fully gone yet. It wants to. And the only reason why I can tell that it wants to go away, y'all, is simply because my teeth and my head haven't been hurting. And so I can tell that it wants to go away, but I also can tell that it's not completely gone. So yeah, just keep me in y'all prayers with that, and I'll definitely keep y'all in my prayers as well. So I'm gonna clean up this table. Like I said, work my way to this restroom and head upstairs to get these gifts together. And y'all, I'll be closing out the vlog. Thank y'all so much for staying locked in. I believe y'all like long vlogs. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back into it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for y'all love and support. Let's get back into it. Okay, y'all, so I have already cooked. I've cleaned up the mess behind the cooking and all. It was other stuff that we had ate too that we had just set out. So this part over here was dirty, mainly because we had Thanksgiving stuff. And then I cook we had leftover Thanksgiving stuff, and that's, I don't know, y'all, I'm all over the place. But y'all, this is a Sunday's vlog. So the kitchen is clean. I've cooked. I've done the laundry. I folded all the kids' laundry because I didn't have nothing in those clothes. So the living room is clean, y'all. Everything over here is clean. So this is clean. I'm just turning off the lights as I go because I do not want no high electricity bill. So Okay, y'all, so the restroom is clean, smelling good. I don't always have to wash, wash the mirror because nothing steams in here. I don't always have to empty it out the trash because it don't stink. And they don't put nasty tissue paper in the trash anyway. They put it in the toilet. We don't do that over here. Okay, y'all, so I didn't mind this vlog being this long, and I definitely don't mind doing this voiceover. So, anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put these gifts together. Like I said, towards the end of this video, I'm going to really try to even their gifts out because right now, Cursasia have like 8 gifts, and Kenzie has like 6, 5 or 6. I think she have 6. So anyways, y'all, I'm going to try to even their gifts out. I'll just go ahead and put it together. And after I'm done, I'm going to be closing out the video. So this shirt, y'all, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. But as y'all can see, everything came from Shein. I wish I could get this to be a sponsored video. But this is Kenzie's outfit. And yeah, y'all will get to see. Y'all will see who's what. Whose gifts is whose as I'm putting them together. You know, they so far apart in age anyhow. So anyways, let me not talk so much. I'm just going to go ahead and put them together. I'm not going to speed this part up because I really want y'all to see what they got for Christmas. They don't watch the videos, so they won't know at all. So let me go ahead and get back into it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video so far. Tell me what y'all think about the gifts. Yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. If y'all haven't already, become part of the All About Jazz family YouTube channel. I would definitely love to have y'all as a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. Not yet, darling. Mama has to go to the store. Hold on a second. Y'all, I am tired, but like I was saying, I'm gonna try to even all that gifts out, even with the amount that I spend for both of them. Like I said, y'all don't mind my voice. Y'all know I'm having my allergies or I'm tired. But anyways, y'all seen that everything was clean. Y'all seen me put the gifts up. Y'all seen me do the laundry. Y'all seen me cook. So like I said, y'all got it all done by the grace of God. Y'all thank y'all for tuning in. Love y'all. Peace.